Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 10 pounds in 7 days. And yes, this is extreme, okay? This is easy ingredients, and I'm going to have most of them down below in the eBay store if you can't find it in your local supermarket, okay? So what we're going to need today is a pan on the stove. So get your pot, because we're going to be working with some water. Alright, we're also going to be working with about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of ginger, our garlic, 1 garlic clove, some lime, our trusty and faithful fennel seed, some cinnamon powder, some cayenne pepper, and another one of my favorites is coriander seeds. Okay, we're also going to be using 750 ml of water, which we're going to add to our pan, and keep the flame to a medium because we're not trying to boil out the water. Alright, so for now I'm just going to put my ginger in because I want this to boil out. Now what you can do is grate it, which I should have done, but if not, just chop it up really fine because you want to get as much of that ginger flavor. Okay, and just add that to your pan. Okay. Now we're going to take our garlic, and just going to take that skin off and also chop this up fine. Okay, what we're working with is trying to get that quarantine weight off. We're also going to take our lime and we're just going to cut that into pieces. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon. Okay, pop that in there as well. Okay, so now that we're finished with that, let's start with our dry goods. Okay, so first we're going to take our fennel seeds and we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of fennel seed into our water. The fennel has a very strong scent to it. Next, we're going to take our coriander seeds and we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of that as well. Alright, so now we're going to add in some cinnamon powder. And you're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you have this stick, you can use the stick, but that's fine. To really help burn, that burning effect, we're just going to use like about 1/8 or less of our cayenne pepper. Okay, like a dash. Now, like I said, we're just going to put this on a nice slow simmer boil. And we're going to boil it for at least 10 minutes. Okay. So cover your pot and I'll be back in 10 minutes. But for now, let me show you some of the wonderful products that I have in my eBay store. So stay tuned. Welcome, family. This is the Beverages coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it. And like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. All right, you guys, so our tea is finished, and now we're going to strain it into our cup. All right, so you just need a strainer. And then you can sweeten it with a little honey. Okay, about a teaspoon is good. And your drink is ready. So all you have to do is drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Eat healthy throughout the day. And you can also make this again for the evening time, right before bed. Alright, pop your straw in there and you have a wonderful weight loss beverage, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below for the links for the wonderful herbs and spices that you've seen in this video. They're located in my eBay store. The links is in the description bar. Also check in the Amazon affiliate links for the personal size blender, the full size blender, and these wonderful metal straws. I also have some other wonderful items down there for you to check out. Also in my eBay store, you will find other items like the Detox Tonics. I have Living Bitters, the Ferment Flat Belly Detox. These are wonderful things to also aid you in weight loss, flatten out your stomach, and give you that nice flatter look, okay? It's a wonderful detox, and they do other things that are beneficial for your health and body, all right? Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. All right, so don't forget, you guys, your big sis and auntie loves you, and join me again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.